प्रगति, समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। I heartily welcome you to the PMA Samachar channel. From the international world, the bilateral relations between the Republic of India and the Republic of South Africa have grown strong since the end of apartheid in South Africa in 1994. Both countries have since developed close strategic, cultural and economic ties. India and South Africa also share an extensive energy partnership. Bloody skirmish between the China and the India in the Gwalior Valley of the LAC. In the bloody skirmish of China, soldiers of India dead and soldiers were killed and many soldiers were injured of China. India made it clear that we will not retreat even 1 inch from LAC. High-level meeting of India's defense minister, foreign minister and army chief due to clash with China. Now the news from country. The whole world is fighting with corona. America has the highest number of deaths. In India, Mumbai and Delhi are not able to be controlled. The Home Minister has held meetings with the Chief Minister of Delhi many times. Now the news from environment. The Kosi or Kosi river drains the northern slopes of Himalayas in Tibet and the southern slopes in Nepal from a major confluence of tributaries north of the Chhatrajorj onwards. The Kosi river is also known as Sapt Koshi for its 7 upper tributaries. This include the Tomar river originating from the Kanchenjunga area in the east and Arun river and the Shankashi from Tibet. Now the news from invention. Rapid transit, a passenger railway in an urban area with high capacity and frequency, often built underground or elevated above the ground. Metro train is a no special kind of train. Richard Trevithick invented metro train, as he also called the first working train. The first underground railways was of course the now metropolitan line of the London Underground. Now the news from great person Syama Charan Lahiri, best known as Lahiri Mahashaya, was an Indian yogi guru and discipline of the Kriya Yoga. Master Maha-Avatar Babaji in 1861, he was chosen by his guru to revive the yogic science of Kriya Yoga to the public after centuries to its guarding by master. He was unusual among Indian holy people in that he was a householder, marrying, raising a family and working as an government accountant. He lived with his family in Varanasi rather than in a temple or monastery. Now the news from state. Andhra Pradesh is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India. It is the 7th largest state by covering an area 162,975 km square and 10th most populous state with 4 crore 93 lakh 86,799 inhabitants. It has the second longest coastline after Gujarat of about 974 km. Andhra Pradesh is the first state to be formed a linguistic basis in India and was established in 1953. Its official language is Telugu. As one of the country's classical languages, it is the third most spoken language in the world. Now the news from crops. Barley, a member of the grass family, is a major cereal grain grown in temperate climates globally. It was one of the first cultivated grains, particularly in Eurasia as early as 10,000 years ago. Barley has been used as animal fodder, as a source of fermentable material forward and certain distilled beverage, and as a component of various health foods. Benefits of barley: rich in many beneficial nutrients, may help lower cholesterol, may reduce disease risk, Now the news from flower Chlorophyllus procera is a species of flowering plant in the family Apocynaceae that is native to North Africa, tropical Africa, Western Asia, South Asia and Indochina. The green fruit contain a toxic milky sap that is extremely bitter and turns into a gilloy coating which is resistant to soap. The benefits of Chlorophyllus procera. Latex is good for treating diarrhea as well. It improves appetite by fighting anorexia and distress in consuming food. Now the news from fruit. The Bombay is a named mango cultivar that originated in Jamaica. The benefits of Bombay mango: it helps in fighting cancer, help in maintaining cholesterol level, it helps in cleansing skin. Now the news from education. DU is going to conduct open book examination from July. Now the news from yoga. Pavan Muktasana or wind relieving pose is an asana in modern yoga as exercise. The benefits of Pavan Muktasana is strengthen the back and abdominal muscles, help in indigestion and release of gas, tones the muscles in the legs and arms. Now the news from the importance of engineer mathematics in our daily life. Engineer mathematics is a branch of applied mathematics concerning mathematical methods and techniques that are typically used in engineering and industry, along with fields like engineering, physical and engineering geology, both of which may belong in the wider category. Engineering science. Engineering mathematics is an interdisciplinary subject motivated by engineers' need both for practical, theoretical and other consideration out with their specialization and to deal with constraints to be effective in their work. Commiphora vithila with common names Indian bdellium tree, Google or Mukul Myra tree is a flowering plant in the family Burseraceae, which produces a fragrant resin called Google that is used in incense and Vedic medicines. The Google plant may be found from northern Africa to Central Asia but is most common in northern India. It prefers and semi-arid climates and is tolerant of poor soil. PMS Space. Tribute to the martyrs of the Indian Army in the bloody skirmish of India-China in Galwan Valley on LSE. The boycott campaign of Chinese goods from the Prima Lok people family started from today. Now the news from ocean. An ocean is a body of outer that composes much of our planet's hydrosphere. On Earth, an ocean is one of the major conventional divisions of the world ocean. These are in descending order by an area: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic Oceans. This event, June 17, is the 168th day of the year in Georgian calendar. 127 days remain until the end of year. World Day to combat desertification and drought. Eat your vegetable day. Thessalian Day. Apple Strudel Day. Now the news from today's history. 1794 Foundation of Anglo-Corsican Kingdom. 1861 American Civil War, Battle of Vienna Virginia. Now the weather news. Ranchi has the second largest rainfall in 10 years. Now the temperature of Patna 27 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 31 degrees Celsius. The pronunciation of some words: mischievous. It's not mischievous. It's just mischievous. Nuclear. It's not nuclear. It's just nuclear. Now the news from sports. The governor gave the green signal for US to open be held in 10th August. So that's all. I टेक फॉर टुमारो लिव, स्टे हेल्दी, बी हैप्पी। माँ भारती की जय।
ओम द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ओम शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।